Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's 2 o'clock and today is 2nd of January 2018. Sorry guys, I made first video which was somehow not recorded. Now this is the second video that I'm making. Hopefully this gets recorded and anyway, the day after I'm going to be back in India and I'm going to be much more comfortable, you know, making my videos. Otherwise, it takes me a lot of time to make the video, and then sometime it's not recorded, sometimes it's recorded anyway. But the thing is, I always want to be with you all. So no matter what, how many times I have to record, I will do it. So, how's your second day of the new year? Did you all party? Did you all enjoy? Did you all spend good time with your family? And what about your results? As I have spoken in my yesterday's video and on Friday's video, that in case you're still not in green, like you still have more, red on your, you know, holdings or your trading scene, then please change that through your resolve this year. So have at least those four resolves. One is that you will not take a tip. Second is that you're going to be, your money, you will be responsible. And third is that you will learn about it. And fourth is no matter what, I will have no losses, right? These should be your resolutions, right? If you want to be in the market, you have to have these resolutions. Otherwise, you know, what happens, sometimes we live in denial. We believe that even if we are not doing good today, but market really, gives you those few moments when you earn, little bit amount, and then again, you're back to the square one. You're again losing. So don't live into denial. Like you have to live with conviction that now uh, there should be no emotional attachment with anything. Like it's not that this friend has said, so let me do this trade. No, we should only trade when our setup tells us, when we know that this is the right time for us to enter in the market. So I'm really hoping that you all really resolve to learn about the market and resolve not to incur your losses in the market. I am looking forward to see you all at the webinar, which starts on 6th of January. And I'm ensuring you that whatever will your investment be, you will be able to earn by yourself while the webinar will be on. And it takes you, if you have 50,000 rupees, you will be able to recover that money within, 1 to 1.5 months. And why am I saying so? So I'm saying so because the stocks that we talk about actually, you know, give a very good return. This is an advanced enzymes. This stock I gave, you know, a few days back. You can go to my channel and see when did I give advanced enzyme. It's a little advanced enzymes. Let's see, advanced enzyme is here, right? So we gave it on 7th of December is when we gave it to you. 7th of December is when we gave it to you here, right, at 282. And target we gave you is open. And today the breakout has come. We gave you somewhere here, 7th of January, 7th of December. Somewhere here is where we gave it to you. So it didn't do anything for this long. Actually, had I, like maybe, I don't know for what reason, this was our entry point, not this, of course, but because we knew about certain parameters that we apply, the breakout will come. So it went down, took a support, and then it headed for a breakout. So this is advanced enzyme, right? I am holding 20 shares here today, and it's showing me good about 12% return. So another share that I wanted to talk to you is about Sri Pushkar, right? Look at the breakout it has given. I mean, when I was making my previous video, which could not be recorded and which could not be uploaded, it was having this momentum. And I was saying that you cannot enter in a stock when this big candle is being formed. You have to enter when the breakout has not happened. So we entered here at 275, right? And we enjoyed this run up, right? So how do we figure out such kind of stocks which are about to have a breakout and which are going to give you a run up? That is what we will teach you in our webinars. We start our webinar on 6th of January in English, and the next one we're going to be starting for Hindi people who want to speak Hindi from 21st of January. So in my one of my resolution for the year 2018 is that at least I'm going to make 3 videos every week for Hindi people, those who want to learn about stock market in Hindi also. That's my resolution. Somebody has written the comment, but I'm promising you, I will focus and I will pull out more time. I will probably reduce some other stuff that I do, or maybe I just do little trading, not much trading, but I'm going to make videos for you guys. Don't worry about it. That's my personal resolve, right? Because I feel, if I make Hindi videos, many more people will be able to understand and learn about market. So those who are wanting the webinar in Hindi, please be assured we are starting our first webinar on 21st of January. Be ready, be there, and we will teach you in Hindi. All right. So this is JVL Agro. You remember when I was talking to you, we talked on this day, which was 26th of December. After that, you can see the flight that it has taken. I think I spoke about it on 27th of December. And this is the flight this particular stock has taken. Right now, it is heading up. Now, nobody can stop the momentum of this. Right? Why? I mean, another stock that I want to show you, which I have been giving you for quite some time, is Goa Carbon. Right? Goa Carbon has today no seller, only buyer. Right? What price did I stock? What price did I start talking to you about at this point? Goa Carbon. I think I have given it here as well. If I remember correctly, Goa Carbon. I don't think so. We have given Goa Carbon here. We have given it on Rockers, right? It's a little expensive stock, so we have given it on Rockers. So Goa Carbon, but I was talking about it on YouTube channel at this point. Somewhere here only we were talking about it, 844 or 840 or something like that. So from there, it has come up to 929. And how many trading sessions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I remember correctly, we have given it at 844 or 840. That was our price. That was our price. So from 844 to 929 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 5 days. That means 30, good about 80 points. That makes it about 30% return. 30% return, 30% return. No, 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 not 30% return. This is 30. It's about 84, 10% return. It's good 10% return in only few days. That's what this stock has given, right? And similarly, I showed you advanced enzyme. It has given a good return today, right? So keep booking your profits. Whenever you get about 5, 6%, 10%, like Hisar Metal is heading up, but even if you want to hold right now, so you can hold it, because I feel there should be one more momentum that should come in. Otherwise, I'm sure many of you must have exited it yesterday by booking good 10% profit, right? So uh, today, because Nifty is little weak, all the stocks are showing weakness. Like NFL, or you talk about this SPIC, all the stocks are a little weak. But that is inevitable. Like that will happen. Definitely, that will happen. E-Clerks, we gave it at, I was looking into my Telegram channel. E-Clerks, we gave twice. So first we gave it on 24th of November. You can see here. This is when we gave it 1313, right? And see, this is where we gave it to you, 1313. This was on 24th of November. Then once again we gave it on 26th of December, right? So 1313 to 1600, it has gone in 2 months. Let me show you. 1313 was when? 1313 was somewhere here at this point, right? That is when we gave it to you. And now it touched even 1600 rupees. So 300 rupees profit. 300 rupees profit means good about 22% profit in, not 22, but about 25%. 25%, roughly you can say 25% profit in in how many trading sessions? Starting from 20 this point, which is 23rd of November, within 40 trading sessions. Where you think, just think about it, mutual funds give you 15%, 20% return in 1 year. Here, if you identify the correct stock, you get that return in 20 trading session, 20 to 40 trading sessions, right? And we have many such stocks. Like this advanced enzyme has given good 10% return today. I'm holding it. See here, I have 20 shares which are giving me this profit, and I have Sri Pushkar 100 shares which is giving me 1600 rupees profit. And this is Trident, which is actually little negative, but I'm expecting it to also give me good return. So what I'm saying, your negative, your red color in your portfolio should be less than your green color, way lesser than your green color. That's one thing. Second thing is that even I'm sure about Trident that it'll give me good returns, right? Okay, so what I'm saying, that this is not my trading account. This I just do few shares here and there so that I can show you, how the trades are moving. But my trading portfolio is not this. That I don't show, and I don't want to show, right? So some of the stocks that are doing excellently well today are Flips Carbon. This is how Flips Carbon is going up, because this also we gave it on Rockers. I don't think so we gave it to you guys, but we gave it on Rockers. This is also showing a good momentum. And then Graphite India. So Graphite India, I gave somewhere around at this point 300 something, somewhere here 300 something, and after that it is at 774, right? This is the momentum this stock has given. Another stock which is doing very good, has done, I mean, it's one of my favorite stock, has done very, very well, is HEG. Look at the beautiful run up. Do you remember where did I give it to you? 426. This is where I gave it, somewhere here. At this point, let me make it bigger. Somewhere here, at this point. This is the point where I gave it to you, and this is the run up it has given. And this I gave you in July somewhere. I gave it to you. You can go back to my YouTube channel and check it. When did I give it to you? HEG, right? And 406 to 2553, 2554, which is good about 600% return in only few months, right? Another stock that is Flips Carbon I had talked about, HEG and the Graphite India. All these stocks are doing very, very well now. You know, so what I say, that market gives you money, right? But you need to know the direction of the Nifty, and you need to know the direction. You should be able to select good stocks, right? If you can do that, then you know the direction of Nifty, and you know where to enter, where to exit. So definitely Nifty looks very, very weak to me today, and I'm expecting it to go down further, right? But for me, it's not the right time of entry. I mean, I couldn't actually get up in the morning because we traveled yesterday. So see here, for us, the Nifty had this day, which is on 27th of December, Nifty has started its downward journey. Why? Because this is bearish engulfing candle which was formed. What does bearish engulfing candle really mean? That the previous day candle closed here, next day market opened up, and there were only sellers, and which brought down the market here till this point. This is bearish engulfing candle, and a very, very clear sign that the market has peaked, right? So market touched 10,600, and after that today it is at 10,435. right? Good, about 175 points down. My members have done a lot of trades. They all had nifty puts and they've created huge, they generated a lot of money, they minted money a lot. And I am expecting a little bit more, profit booking to be coming in. And at least from wherever we are, at least 30-35 points are gone nowhere. So let's look into the Nifty's option chain. This is Nifty's option chain a few minutes back. There's a huge put writing happening at 10,400. So that looks, that Nifty is not going below 10,400. But let's refresh and see how the dynamics have changed. So Nifty, has a huge support at 10,400, right? Let's see here in the cash market, where is Nifty right now? So, if at all Nifty falls today, it wouldn't fall more than, another 20 points or so. That's what I'm expecting, but these um, options can change also, because it depends, how smart money starts selling their position, start squaring off their position. That may bring down the momentum. So it's a good, actually a trade was formed in the morning. Can you see here? I want to show, see here, this is where a trade was formed in the morning. Can you see this candle being formed, taking a resistance from 200 moving average and coming down? I have not opened my, I didn't start trading at that time. Otherwise, I definitely would have shorted it, right? It was a huge opportunity today to short it. 10,497.94, and right now it is 10,413. Nifty looks, both the moving averages are going in the downward direction. It definitely looks weak to me, and I would just like to ignore option chain, right? I would like to ignore option chain. It looks to me heading down, right? It's looking to me heading down, right? And if we put the pivot point, we'll be able to find where does it get some little support that it may get. Let's see. So with this, let's see. So here is the support, 10,391 in cash market. In future market, let's see where is the support. Support is right here. It's just approaching the support 10,300 437, right? If it crosses that with momentum, then it has a huge downtrend coming up, right? But Nifty is definitely weak. Anything that you want to do should actually be in the direction of the Nifty now. But leave the positional trades. Like equity, you can do whichever direction you want. Still, stocks will do good. Like the way I told you, um, Sri Pushkar is doing good. Sri Pushkar is doing good, and even this is doing good. Even this uh, advanced enzyme is doing good, right? So when you are trading in equity, very safe investment. And I would say, even if you can trade in, equity even with 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Let your money grow organically and create good portfolio for yourself. So guys, I'm really waiting for you all. I feel that you all should learn. Your new year resolve should be those four only, that I'm not going to lose money no matter what. I'm not going to take any tip from anybody. And the third is that I'm going to be responsible for my money, entry and exiting in a stock. And the fourth one is that I'm going to be learning about the market, right? So, with these three promises, I'm sure you will be able to transform. And also, as my viewer, I want you people to be, very careful about where do you, what do you trade, what do you do, because our trades are basically being, you know copy pasted by some of the other channels. So I don't want you people to really, you know here, see here, this is Khancham technical analysis. We posted our members trade yesterday, and he has copy pasted it on his channel, right? So I'm saying, that's what he's doing. That's what he believes is correct, right? But I have no problem with that. Let him do what he wants to do. But you have to make a right decision. You have to decide what is right, what is wrong. I have no issue with him. Let him do. That's what he believes is correct. Let him do that. But I believe you people who are with me, you must have seen my yesterday's Telegram channel. We post members trade and then delete it because we want to keep our platform very very crisp and clean with trades only. So he copy pasted it. We pasted it about around 12, and he posted this around 3 o'clock. So no, this is our member has given us, and he posted this trade over here. So please, be careful. Don't trade. Don't fall into a trap. You should be able to analyze yourself what is right, what is wrong. If you can do that, then nobody can stop you, right? Nobody can stop you, because this is what my agent mission is, to make you aware what is right, what is wrong. And that goes in Nifty as well, that goes in market as well, that goes in trades as well, right? So how do you discern between the right and wrong? That is what I want to teach you through my platform. So I'm saying that have such kind of stocks in your platform or in your portfolio and enjoy the good run up. So, guys, I'm waiting, and I'm really, really, my New Year's resolve and resolution is to be able to make Hindi videos, at least 3 videos every week. That is my personal resolve. So, once I'm back on the day after, I'm going to be making at least 3 Hindi videos. So, guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Today is 2nd of January. 10th of January is when I started my channel. What a huge progress I have made along with you all. At least so many people through YouTube have learned how to trade correctly, and so many people have joined me and learned through me, and of course recovered their money and doing so well, right? I'm waiting for you all. I'm waiting for you all. I'm saying that you just have to sacrifice 30,000 rupees for 2 months. If you have 50,000 rupees, we'll ensure that you have got it back. You can take EMI option, you can take the credit card. Use the credit card, you get the credit of 1 month, or use the EMI option on your credit card, and learn, like, who will give you this kind of a option where you learn and earn and recover your money in investment. And guys, we are working on a lot of intraday trading. Beautiful simple setup, no complication, nothing. And we will teach you, but that'll be a separate course altogether, right? So when you are associated with us, you are part of stock protein. So this is went, like, this is again the trade that I filtered at 2400 rupees. It even touched today 4783. This is the power of technical analysis. This is the power of trading in the right direction. As Nifty is little weak, all the trades that we have found are, not doing too well. So whenever you have good profit of about 5, 7, 8%, keep locking your profit. Do not, let it go when the Nifty goes down. So keep use the trailing stop loss, right? So that you can save your money. All right. So with this, I'm signing off, but I want to see you all. I want to, and you remember my exiting policy: convert into high Kanishi candle and convert it into day, and then see if a red candle forms below 10 moving average, you can exit, right? For example, India Glycol is little negative today. Do we exit it? We can still hold it. We can still hold it because the candle has not gone below 10 moving average. We could exit somewhere here. Till the point it touches the 10 moving average, we don't need to exit. The moment it goes below 10 moving average, that is when you exit, because sometimes it touches and bounces back many a times. So you have to only exit your position when actually it is in a sell zone. That means Heiken-Ishii candle should leave 10 moving average. But if the stock is really good, India Glycol is good. So whenever it comes on a support, again you can create buy position. All right. So with this, I'm signing off. But I'm really, really waiting for you all, every single person, right? Make a resolve, change your destiny this time, this year, right? Right? So the time will pass by and you will never be able to make up your mind. Fine, don't live in denial that whatever I'm doing will be fine. No, it's a science, it's not a gamble, right? So, see you tomorrow with a resolve. All of you will learn and all of you will not lose money. Nifty definitely looks weak to me. If it goes below 10,442 and it crosses 10,438, then it definitely plans to go down. Bye bye, good day, see you tomorrow.